Hello, in front of me I have Motorola Moto E22 and I'm gonna show you how to format the SD card on this phone. First we need to open the settings on our phone, and you can do it by swiping up on the home screen to open the app menu, then scroll down, finding the settings icon and tapping on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called storage and tap on it. And here you should see the storage page. Now you should see this option right here called this device. You can tap on it to open the list of storage devices, and you should see the SD card on the list. Select the SD card, and here we have the SD card selected. Now you should see the more options icon in the top right corner. Tap on it. This will open the menu, and here we have format option and format as internal. Select one, for example format, then tap on format SD card. Wait until the formatting process is complete. Once it's done, you can tap on the done button, and if you open the storage, select the SD card, you will see that the SD card was formatted. And then you can close the settings. And that's how you format the SD card on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.